Many of you don't know what is going on here. Somebody is dancing, you are able to understand. But what for they are dancing? This is the traditional Paddhati we are supposed to follow to conduct the divine wedding of Sita Rama, Lord Sita Rama. This Paddhati, this syllabus has been composed by Bhadrachal Ramadasa. So all the Paddhati is full of Telugu. See the unity in diversity concept. We are all Tamilians. You are all Gujaratis. But we are singing Telugu. Whether we understand or not, but there is a divinity that is more important. Here, so Bhadrachal Ramdas is a great composer, saint composer. He composed many songs on Lord Rama. In between 16th and 17th century, he wanted to build a temple in Bhadrachalam. In Andhra Pradesh, there is a place called Bhadrachalam. Like Simhachalam, most of you know Tirupati, Balaji. Like that, separate place called Bhadrachalam. Lord Rama is being worshipped there. Ramadasan, Bhadrachal Ramadasan, a great saint composer, he wanted to during 17th century, his relatives, Ramadas wanted to have a new temple for Lord Rama in Bhadrachalam. As his relatives were working in Tanisha government, Tanisha is a Muslim. Tanisha government, they were in finance department, so they requested Tanisha to give a job to Ramadasan. He was appointed as a Tahsildar in Bhadrachalam. When he visited Bhadrachalam, he decided to build a temple in Bhadrachalam for Rama. Whatever he collected the tax from the public, he utilized the full amount to build a temple. He built a new temple, beautiful temple for Lord Rama in Bhadrachalam. As he was not able to pay the tax amount from his district, Bhadrachalam district, he was arrested by the government. He was in the jail for 12 years. Bhadrachal Ramadasa. He was inside the jail for 12 years. When he was in jail, he composed 10,000 songs on Lord Rama. Usually, our leaders, when they are in jail, they will write their autobiography. Useless thing. But Bhadrachal Ramadas, what he did, no breakfast, no dinner, no lunch, even no water. Is it possible for him to survive for 12 years inside the jail now? It is possible because Always he was chanting Ram, 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 Ram. That Rama was taking care of him inside the jail for 12 years. After 12 years, Sita, our Sita Devi, in Ayodhya, she asked Rama, our Rama, what happened to you, Rama? Our staunch devotee is in jail. He built a temple for us, not for him. What happened to you? You are Parama Karuna Murti. Everybody is saying Lord Rama is the Karuna Murti. You have to bless him. He should not be inside jail. He has to come out. Then Ram and Lakshman ji, Ramji and Lakshman ji, both went to Tanisha's house. He was the king. Musalman's house, both of them went like servants. They gave the full amount to Tanisha. He asked, both of you are beautiful. From where you are coming? In what way you are related to Ramadas, Bhadraj and Ramadas? Our Lord Rama said, we both of us are servants of Bhadraj and Ramadasar who are inside the jail. We are servants. Immediately he was released. Then the king Tanisha was very happy. From that day, he was named as Ramadasa. His original name was Gopanna Garu. It's a Telugu name. Tanisha only named him as Ramadasa. So beautiful syllabus he composed to conduct divine wedding of Lord Rama. For more than 400 years, the same paddhati is followed by all bhajan artists who are all following the traditional paddhati in South India. We are also following the same paddhati. Gatavati Saki Brinde Mandatra Bhavara Nirbhara Smara Paravashamudha Smida Snapita Dharam Sarasabala Samdrishtva Dushta Muhu Pallava Prasava Shayane Nikshipta Akshimuvacha Haripriyana Isadaya Shayana Talle